Maniniwala ka ba kung sasabihin ko sa iyo na pumunta ako sa Pampanga para lang sa dish na 'to? And yes, pumunta ako sa isang restaurant sa Pampanga para sa African dish na 'to. Pumunta ako sa isang restaurant na halos wala sa social media. Hindi ko sigurado kung anong oras at araw bukas at kung nag-ooperate pa ba sila. And right now, you might be wondering, bakit ako babiyahe ng 79 kilometers para lang sa isang kainan na wala akong siguradong impormasyon? This is fufu. Fufu is a staple food in many African countries, especially in West Africa. It's a stretchy like dough dish made by boiling and pounding root vegetables, primarily cassava, plantains, and yam. Fufu is more than just a food in Africa. It's a symbol of unity, tradition, and African gastronomy. And this information is from CC, an AI smart application that can help you answer your question, whether it's for school, for research, or for a random question that you have in mind. Information is very easy and accessible. So, try it. It's for free. Paano nga ba ako napadpad dito? Madalas kasi ako nakakita ng mga content creator na nagmumukbang ng fufu and legacy. And I was craving for it ever since. And then one day, dumaan sa FYP ko tong post ni Food and Etc. This video was posted in July featuring a restaurant in Pampanga na nagsaserve ng authentic African food. Pero meron naman sa Makati na nagte-trending na African restaurant. So bakit pa ako pupunta ng Pampanga? Kasi adventure starts through the things that you don't know yet. And just to be honest, I've seen a couple of video to those restaurant in Makati and it's a one search away pare. Magkakaroon ka na ng idea sa mga resto na nandito sa Makati and also sa Metro Manila. So I did what a madman will do. I traveled almost 4 hours para subukan tong African dish na to. Kaya naman welcome to the normal customer review starring King Zane African Kitchen at hahatiin natin to sa tatlong aspeto. The service, satisfaction, and quality and quantity. Service. When it comes to service pare, it's very casual, maayos at malinis yung place and veranda style ang resto na to. Satisfaction. Nag-order lang kami ng dalawang dish. The egusi and the jollof rice. Umpisahan natin sa jollof rice for 450 pesos. Jollof rice is a combination of fried rice, spices, chicken, and fried banana. This jollof rice is the best fried rice na natikman ko. Nakakanginig ng pangasasarap. The combination of spiciness, spices, and fish makes my mouth watery. Bumabakat sa bibig ko yung lasa ng mga pampalasa and making my palate very active to the point na kahit hindi ko na kaya yung anghang, hindi ko pa rin kayang tumigil. Again, this is the best fried rice na natikman ko. So this is going to be a solid 5 out of 5. Dito naman tayo sa rason kung bakit tayo napunta sa restaurant na to. This is fufu with egusi. For 500 pesos, katulad ng jollof rice, it's a mouth-watering experience. Every spices na nilagay ay parang umiikot at sumisiksik sa bawat sulok ng bibig ko. I've never tasted this kind of food na ganito yung atake pagdating sa lasa. It's strong tasting but in a very delicious way. Pare, this is going to be a 5 out of 5. Quality and quantity. Pagdating sa quality and quantity, kala ko nung una parang konti for its price pero hindi. It's right for its price. Not only for the taste but for the quality ng mga spices na ginamit. Sulit yung pagpunta ko. Hindi ako nang hinayang sa haba ng oras na ginugol ko makapunta lang dito. Sulit yung bawat kilometro. And babaunin ko yung experience kong lasa sa journey ko as a food content creator. Overall, those two dishes changed my perspective pagdating sa lasa ng pagkain and it's an experience like no other.